it's your girl Kei, aka keiXwi, and I am back with a new YouTube video. Today's video is gonna be a tutorial on this eyeshadow look for Vday. I know you guys are probably really excited about Valentine's Day. Hopefully you have a date and you're gonna go out. So if y'all wanna get glammed up for Vday, keep watching this tutorial. It's super quick, super easy. Probably like the easiest Valentine's Day glam look that you can do and still be, you know, popping, you know what I'm saying? I'm just super excited because I love Vday. I just like somebody to take me out to eat, you know what I'm saying? If you're interested in seeing how I got this look, make sure you keep watching.
My lips, my eyes, the way I ride and my heart, my soul, I'll do it till I'm satisfied. My very essence, the way I go.
Alright guys, so I'm going to start by priming my lid with my Morphe eyelid primer in translucent, and then I'm just going to blend it out with my Morphe M173 brush. So I'm going to be using the Too Faced I Want Candy palette for this look, and the first color I'm going to use is Hot Chocolate. I'm just going to use that color to go in and define my crease. Next, I'm going to go in with Raspberry Cocoa, and I'm going to blend that in with Hot Chocolate. I'm going to cut my crease with my NYX Studio HD Concealer in Glow, and I'm just going to make sure I get a really decent layer so I can apply a shimmery color on top of it. Now I'm going to apply Sugared Strawberry all over my lid, and this is one of my favorite colors from the palette. It's so sparkly, and of course it's pink. I'm going to just touch under my lid with a mix of Raspberry Cocoa and Hot Chocolate just to define my eyes a little bit more. And then I'm going to blend the outer corner of my crease with Raspberry Cocoa. Now for a little extra sparkle, I'm going to go in my inner corner with Frosted Pink. I'm going to line my waterline with my Rimmel London Kohl eyeliner, and this just helps my eyes stand out a little bit more and be a little bit more bold. And then I'm going to go in with my Essence Volume Stylist Mascara. I'm going to do my top and my bottom lashes. Now I'm going to go in with my Model's Own Sculpt and Glow Shimmer Bronzing Powder in the color Light Golden Brown, and this is going to help just kind of put some color back in my face. And then I'm going to go in with my Jelly Highlighter by Makeup Revolution in the color Monumental. So I went ahead and did my lashes off camera, and now I'm going over my highlighter with my Urban Decay Space Powder. So I am lining my lips with my MAC lip pencil in the color Currant. And then I'm going to be going over this color with my Too Faced Melted Chihuahua, and I'm just using a brush to blend the lip liner and the lip color in together. You guys know I have to be extra, so I'm going to be going over my lips with Frosted Pink from the I Want Candy palette.